ChatGPT is all the rage currently, and the company behind it has recently launched ChatGPT Plus, a monthly subscription service with added benefits. This service was only recently made available in India, and in this video, we explain all the benefits it offers and how you can sign up for it. So let's get started. ChatGPT Plus will offer general access to ChatGPT even during peak times, faster response times when generating text, and priority access to new features and improvements. With the subscription model, users will also be able to try out the latest GPT-4 AI model, which can handle more complex queries, analyze images, and more. ChatGPT Plus is available at a monthly subscription fee of $20 or approximately Rs 1650 in India. Go to the ChatGPT website. If you don't have an account, create one. Once logged in, look for the Upgrade to Plus option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open a pop-up window. Click on the green Upgrade Plan button under ChatGPT Plus. Fill in your payment details and billing address on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on the Subscribe button. That's it for this video. Do like if it was useful, and for everything tech, log on to gadgets360.com.